Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step breakdown of this expression using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. Then we solve O. O stands for off, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step, simplify the exponents inside the brackets. So there is a 2 cube. So 2 cube 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. It will become 8. According to this step, BODMAS says we must work inside the bracket. First, inside the brackets, the exponents orders takes the priority over the addition and multiplication. So now the current expression becomes 3 plus 5 multiplied by 8 and power square divided by 4. So now move to the second step. Multiply inside the bracket. So after multiplying, we'll get 40. According to this step, inside the bracket, multiplication comes before addition. So now the current expression becomes 3 plus 40 power square divided by 4. So now move to the third step, add inside the bracket. Now we add the values. 3 plus 40 is equals to 43. And according to this step, the finishes the operation inside the grouping brackets. And now the expression becomes 43 power square divided by 4. Now move to the fourth step. Calculate, solve the outer exponent. Now calculate outer exponent 43 square. Now 43 multiplied by 43. In the last video, I have told you the two of the tricks of Vedic math, crisscross multiplication and base method of squaring. So which trick you like and which trick you will prefer to solve this question, just write in the comment. Answer will be 1849. So now will new expression becomes 1849 divided by 4. Now move to the fifth step. Perform the final division. Now 1849 divided by 4. Division is the last remaining operation. So 1849 divided by 4 will get the answer in decimal and 462 decimal 25. So this is the final result. Now according to this expression, the conclusion is by systematically resolving the inner components first, exponents, multiplication, then addition, and moving outward to the final division. So the definite answer is 462.24, and you can write it down in the mixed fraction also, 462 and 1 by 4, and this is also the result. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.